Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're jumping right into crypto. We're looking at Ethereum back in this red triangle that I talked about in the last video. So some very interesting things are happening, especially with AI crypto and in the news with inflation. So we're going to look at a bunch of things real quick. We're going to see how we're looking first in this red triangle. This is the key triangle I am looking at for the crypto breakout, creating that generational wealth with crypto. So we are still holding the orange trend line, the long-term trend line since 2015. This is Ethereum I'm charting off of. So this orange trend line is everything. We're not concerned about that orange trend line right now. We are in this red triangle. All right, so we've had some pops, we've had some ups and downs, but overall we are trending upwards, okay, in a nice direction. People that are buying on breakouts and then crypto's selling off a bit, they're selling and they're getting annoyed and frustrated because they're day trading. Stop day trading it, okay? I am just buying. All right, look at all these blue candles. We are going sideways. RSI is cooling down as we are heading up. This is so important to understand. RSI is cooling down as we trend up. That's rare. Usually we have to come down for RSI to cool down, but there's so much interest and so much buying pressure. Eventually we're going to break out. Now, like I said, the bearish scenario is if we do come down, we test the bottom of this triangle, we test the orange main trend. If we fall below that, it's ugly. It's game over. We're going to get strong red liquidation candles like this one. Well, actually, that's my triangle, but we're going to get some big liquidation candles like that one. All right, so that's going to be very bad, and I think that's going to put us into another crypto winter, and it's going to last for a couple years. But we're not there yet. I think there's too much interest, and everyone's too bullish on crypto. We've been waiting. It's been like 15 months in this bear trend, and we're finally breaking out. Let's look at the news real quick. A couple days ago, Powell had his Fed meeting, the FOMC, and he talked about inflation. Disinflation is beginning and we're on track. Powell predicts significant inflation drop, but job market strength means more rate hikes. So the job data came out after he announced just a 0.25 increase or a 25 points increase, and then the jobs came out and they looked good. So you want to cool that down. So there might be more, maybe a higher rate hike in the future. That's not good, but overall, we are on track for inflation to cool down. Now, artificial crypto coins are running. Look at this article. Among the biggest gainers have been tokens for platforms such as Alethea's Artificial Liquid Intelligence, Fetch, and Singularity NET. These are all AI-based crypto companies. Crypto markets are known to be fueled by narratives, and artificial intelligence is the latest. Just like with the stock market, when these meme stocks start pumping, AMC, GME, once they start going, everyone jumps in. What was the other one? BlackBerry. They all started going crazy. Now the big craze, because of Midjourney, Voice AI, ChatGPT, we are getting a new sector of explosion in the crypto market related to AI. Let's look at Fetch so I can show you how much Fetch has gone up in just a short period of time. So since November, I think that's around when the craze started, we have gone up not 100% or 200% or 3, 4, or 5. We've gone up 1,000% in just 79 days. Right now we're sitting at 750% in 79 days. Big gains. I don't think we could find another crypto coin, especially in the top 20, that has moved this aggressively in that short period of time. AI crypto coins are running. I'm hesitant to buy into them because I like to stick with the bigger companies, but you can make a lot of money here and you can also lose a lot of money. This is eventually going to come down the mountain, but I don't know when that's going to happen. The craze has not stopped. It might have just begun. Let's dig back into the Ethereum chart to see what's happening here. RSI is cooling down. Now, if we can continue to trend sideways a little bit longer, we're riding the top of this red triangle and this resistance line at 1676, which is from here. Okay, we're riding along that. We're going to eventually get to a dead end, and we're going to have to decide which way we're going to go. Are we going down or are we going up? And I think because of this buying pressure, RSI being overbought but still holding, we're going to break out to the upside, and it's going to be a very aggressive breakout. We have our first ceiling after 1676 at 1780, right down these resistance levels, because these are the levels where people will be selling. Maybe you want to sell. Maybe you want to know where you could be buying on a dip. We will dip there. This will be an aggressive breakout. 1780 is the next one. We'll probably retest 1676, and then we will push up for the next one at 2036, and then we are off to the races. We probably have formed a inverted head and shoulders here, and we're getting ready to run up. Kind of what stocks are doing. Stocks are looking really good. But yeah, so that's the update on the red triangle with crypto. It's looking really good. Check out AI stocks. I want to quickly show you the top 10 list. I did put this together. So my favorite right now is Atom. And Atom is one of my favorites because Atom doesn't like to pull back. It's up here while other ones are kind of moving like this. They're kind of pulling sideways a bit. You know, Atom is just whoop, just straight up. It holds these really nice trends, and that's because they pay such a high interest rate. I'm getting like 14% yield on my crypto that I'm staking. So every day I'm claiming and compounding rewards and getting interest on that. So you could be making a couple $100 a day depending on how much money you put in. You can make $20 a day. How much you want to put in to get that 15%? And also you're getting the gains on the movement. You know, if you're buying around $9-10, you're up 50%. So Atom is great. Mana, Sand, both phenomenal. The markets, when the inflation data came out, we had this big spike here. This one, whoop, big spike. I think it was like a 15% move or 20% move, and Sandbox was up 30%. So these guys spike very hard. And then we have all the other crypto coins. So at the top right now, I have Cosmos, Mana, Sand. ETH is up there as well because these ones don't like to dip or drop when markets are a little shaky. They kind of hold their levels. In the stock market world, NVIDIA is my top dog right now. I'm still building this one out, but these are the ones I'm investing in, holding, and interested in buying more of. So that's it for the update for today. Watch the triangle. Watch the red triangle, and if you just want to see how I analyze it, make sure you subscribe, thumb up the video if you like these videos where it's just straight to the point and gives you all the information you need about what's going on with the crypto markets in the news and technically what's happening with buying and selling pressure. Let's let this RSI cool down a little bit more. Let's keep pushing up. Eventually, we're going to break out of 1676, or we're going to test the bottom of this red triangle. That's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget when you hit that button, it's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.